Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about some bad things that we found on airplanes this last week. So here's a few to look at. One, we have safety wire, and it's pulling the filter on your fuel pump, the electric one, open. It's supposed to be holding it closed, not pulling it open. That would be bad with vibration to have the bottom open, all your fuel spill out. So that's one bad thing that's been seen this week at a Grumman shop. Now here's another one for you, and this is Grumman specific. The shims are on the wrong side. So you're not getting the full throw on the aileron. So we're going to change all of that. That all goes back together different. And then here you go. Yes, that is your air filter on a Tiger sitting on the bottom of cowling. This airplane came in for an exhaust leak, it thought, and it was just out of annual. And here's what we found. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.